Hey friends, today I'm here with a delicious dessert that is called date pudding. The ingredients are 12 dates, 2.5 glasses of milk, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 tablespoon butter. First, separate the skin and the seed of the date. To peel the dates, put the dates in boiling water for 3 minutes and immediately put them in ice water. The skin of the dates is easily peeled off. We soften and mash the prepared dates with a fork. Add 12 tablespoons hot milk till smooth completely. Pour starch and 2 glasses of cold milk and cinnamon into a bowl and mix them. Put them on low heat until it boils slowly and the ingredients thicken. Add mashed dates. Cook for another 2 minutes. Turn the heat off. Finally, add butter. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.